So here's our search panel, and we're going to search for the historian tag, which has the oil in water data. So we'll type oil in water, press enter, and then we go. We've got the lab analysis of the oil in water. So if I click on it to trend it, here you see that we've got this smooth profile between all the points, and that we can't have that. Let's just expand it to say 30 days. There. Now, what I'm going to need to do actually in here is I need to, instead of having a smooth line, first of all I want to just get the raw points, and then I want to plot a step after the points. There. Now we've got the proper profile. But the issue we have again is that this timestamp that's been entered is not correct. We've got 1 in the morning for say the 16th of October, but that actually applies to midnight on the 15th of October. So I'm going to add this to my basket, and then I'm going to add a new tag here. I'm going to make a calculation, build it again, and the first thing I want to do is to force this value to be stepped. So that means if I do anything like totalizing on this value, it will keep it stepped forwards. So you can see here what it does. It takes a linearly interpolated signal and turns it into a stepped signal. And then we need to add a containing operation, which is a time shift. So I'm going to add a time shift here, and I need to time shift it by 25 hours backwards, because 24 hours would be a day, but I need the extra hour to get it back to midnight. So let's save that and add it to our trend here. So now we can see that if we look at our value, that on the 16th of October at 1 in the morning in the blue has now been shifted back to here, which is midnight. It just happens the cursor can't get exactly midnight, but it has been shifted back to exactly midnight the day before. So that's us now got our corrected oil in water lab analysis. So when we multiply that by the water rate, we'll get the correct number. So let's add that to our basket.